Date is 18th of March 2026. We'll be backtesting a week on S&P 500 from Tuesday the 14th of October 25. Okay, I trade PB's Mech model and my own sort of continuation model. It's probably known amongst people. It's not anything special, my continuation model. But yeah, let's go. Alright, market open. What do we see? We've got the higher time frame first. Oh, it doesn't want to load. Oh, there we go. Okay, we've got a big NMOG, but it's been filled now, so I've got sort of a neutral bias. Okay, what can we see? 945, swept out London lows. Nice. 3 minute. No inversion yet. There you go, there's the inversion, I like that. Put it on down there. Target this high for 1R. Break even. Probably here. So we got break even. And up here we've got sell side. Okay. Open here. That's break even there. And TP hit 1R. We'll journal this 14th of the 10th plus 1R. Yeah, we'll just be doing a week from 2025 October. Was it 14th? That's S&P. Time of day was it? I count that as a 9:30 manipulation. Manipulating London lows. We had liquidity sweep. We had 9:30 manipulation. London low. What else? We had a nice displacement, so we had good momentum, good displacement. We had a V-shape by FVG. I would say that's quite V-shape if you think about it. It's like just like a nice little V. It's quite nice. There's no accumulating very much. Okay. Manipulation leg. We call it the manipulation leg. We took trades off of it, so that's just PB's Mech model. Yeah. Liquidity target. What do we target? Well, we targeted a swing high and buy side, just low resistance liquidity really. But we'll just put swing high for my break even and buy side for my overall target. So what you need to do is like have short term magnets, is what I like to call them. Someone probably have said that before, but I like to have short term magnets. So this is my magnet, for instance, my short term, but my overall would be like London high, you know, or like something like that, or just something like, I don't know, this FVG or something. I think that is going to come back up to here. That's my magnet, so I think price is going to go there. But obviously I'm not going to take it up to there because my PB's model and my continuation model and whatever, it's quite low RR, high win rate. So if I put my break even there, chances are 50% of the time, something like that, it will stop me out, break even, and then go up to my main target. So I'll just take my piece and then get off for the day. Alright, on the 3 minute rating, it's probably like an A. I like the displacement. Yeah, it's not bad. I don't fit in any of this. Not for backtesting anyway. Stop loss was on the Yeah, it was on the FVG body high, or like just below the bottom FVG. Nice, we're at the thing here. I did do some backtesting earlier. Yeah. Nice. Oh. Alright, I did do some backtesting earlier. I don't think I took a screenshot of this yet. Download image. Nice. Image upload. Nice. Okay, now I'm just gonna look for continuations in the same day. Depends what we get. Did have a tap there, but we are high in premium. I don't really like that. Alright, no trades left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, what are we looking at? Well, overnight session left a new day opening gap, so I do like that. That is a strong draw here. Is it a new day opening gap? Yeah. Okay, new day opening gap. I like that. But at the same time, we've been inversing bearish and respecting bullish. Oh, I haven't really respected bullish, but we've created up FVGs here to go long. And if I want to take a short, these are my conditions. I want to see this FVG get hit, so then displacement down, an inversion on the highest time frame, and then use this as a magnet and just take a 1 to 1 or 1 to 2 or down 2 or something like that. Or we have a manipulation what comes lower into this FVG and I go higher. I wouldn't, we could come down to this end new day opening gap, but that would be if it came down. I would be trading NYPM, and I don't really trade NYPM, although recently NYPM has been doing very well, better than NYAM. Okay, we're going to just skip on to 930 there, just give it a minute. Okay, on high sweat. London high swept there. We did have an inversion, so we might have to take off of this and then target. We'll see if it comes back up. Oh, good job we didn't take it, we would have been stopped. Okay, let's just see what goes on now. I want to see this get hit ideally, and then just Mech model. Yep, there's my conditions. Right, what time of day is it? 10 AM. Okay, 5 minute. I'll take a 3 minute and then target something. I want a Mech model short here, ideally. Don't like the look of that. Okay, probably short off of here. What have we got? Just gonna target 1R here. Break even point there. Let me see. Yeah, that's fair. Okay. There. Taking off that inversion, mix of a change in state. delivery. Change state there. Version here. Oh, I didn't even get a chance to put it break even. But let's take profit hit. Okay. 1R. Make sure this looks alright. IFVG. Change set delivery. Nice. Okay. Download image. Journal it. What date was it? 15th and 1R. Oh. Nice. Bias was really well. Yeah, we had conditions for the day. It was pretty neutral, but I'll say bearish just because we took a short. It was October the 15th. That's S&P conferences. So we had tapped into an FEG. We had a manipulation leg. We had 10 AM reversal. We wanted to, well, we had good momentum. We had change in state delivery and an IFVG, quite rapid. That's probably it. That's probably it. Alright, liquidity target was 1R and 5 minute FVG for break even. Time frame 3 min. Rating, probably give that an A. I just like the change of state and inversion, quite quick. Nice Mech model down to 1R and the 5 minute. Stop loss was on the body high. Yeah, previous body high. Image. That was it, wasn't it? Yep. Okay. Plus 1R. That's 2R. We'll go till what day did we start on? I can't remember. We'll just go till Friday. Just go till Friday. And it dumps. That's nice. Could have caught longer, but we're just trying to take our piece. Well, I am. 6, 7, 8. Okay, what was I thinking? Wow. We're in a bearish FEG, but we're also respecting bullish here. So sort of again, quite neutral. We'll have a look on the 4 hour. If it loads. We'll look on the day first. Day, we're in a bearish FEG, 4 hour. 4 hour doesn't want to load. Okay, nice. Okay, what time of day? 9:30 open. What do we want to see? 10 AM open there. We'll look on the 5 minute. What's this? Okay. We had a little sweep here. Tapped into an FEG. We'll look for little accumulation manipulation entry. Distribution. I want to see a change in state really. Swept it again. We've left an FEG. Can we inverse? Ooh, that is nice displacement. We did tap this bottom FEG. I like that. Just gonna mech model this to somewhere. We had a nice displacement through there. Look for our break even point. We'll have to look on a different time frame. We'll just go up here to that high here. Let's draw that out. There we go. Go break even once we hit here. I think if we truly are bearish, no, bullish, we should just run through this FEG here. I'm not even going to put that as my break even point. There we go. Okay, there we go. I like that displacement. Okay, break even there. And TP there. 1.05 R. Make sure I get the photo good for my channel. IFEG. We did also tap, that's also an intermediate high. Yeah, I thought I said it wrong for a minute. I thought I said internal. That is right. Yeah, nice displacement. IFEG, just a Mech model. What date was it? 16th, 10th, 25 plus, what was it, 1.05 or? Yeah, nice. Icon. Bullish, quite bullish, it's quite neutral, but yep, 16th, that's it, S&P, conferences, we had time reversal, we had AMD, nice accumulation, manipulation, distribution, we tapped into an FEG. What else did we have? We had a soup because we accumulation, manipulation, distribution, but the manipulation went underneath these lows, soup these lows, and went into an FEG. We had good momentum, good displacement, same thing. We had a V-shape by FEG. If we haven't, yeah, we put that in. We put soup in. Yeah. The only thing that would, this is an A setup. The only thing that would make this an A plus is if we had like an SMT down here, something like that. But obviously I can't see that on Traders Cursor, so it doesn't matter. All right, what did we have? We actually had an intermediate high. Oh, that's our liquidity target, and also a, make sure I'm doing it right, swing high. 1 minute time frame. Rating, it's an A. Stop loss was on the body low, on previous body low. Upload that. Nice. Okay, really nice trade, really nice. Okay, we'll go on to the next session. Five, 6, 8. Okay, so overnight session. What have we done? Well, we sweeped out. Yeah, we sweeped out previous week low. We sweeped out current week low. We've inversed FEGs on the 1 hour. It's gonna let me go on the 4 hour. Nope. All right. So really, I'm just trying to take continuation long. That's probably the best. But obviously not sticking to that. I'm not married to it. If I see something else like a Mech model, then I might take it. Okay, I'm not taking that. I like them how he's being swept really. That's like Quite nice little accumulation manipulation sort of thing. I like that. Where's the inversion? Inversion there. I do like that. Ooh, why is it like that then? Hang on. Maybe it's just like that today. Alright. Where should we target? Oh, we'll see what we've got. Just target 1R. This will be our break-even point. We did have a lot of liquidity up here, like low resistance liquidity that's been swept. Do like that 2 minute strong displacement, even though I don't look at the 2 minute. Okay, we'll have a look what happens. And TP hit 1R. Nice. Okay, download 17th October 25 plus 1 RR. Oh, RR. Icontic bias. Well, it's pretty neutral again. Well, no, it wasn't neutral, it was more bullish, but I took a Mech model just down to like low resistance, like swing low sort of thing, right? Or 1RR. Date the 17th. Nice. So S&P conferences, what do we have? Right, we had AMD 930 manipulation leg. We had liquidity sweep. Okay, is that done? Yep. Alright. We'll do one more day, we'll do Monday. Just see if we can keep the win rate. Okay. Oh, oops. Alright. Well, what can we see? Intermediate high. I think I've already scuffed this already. But I don't think there was any real good setups anyway. It doesn't look like it. There was like barely any pullbacks, but we'll see. What time of day? Oh, 10:55. That's not ideal. Okay, we're gonna have to go on to Tuesday. That's alright. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 9, isn't it? No, that's 8. Alright. 9. No. 9 there. What can we see? Wow. FEG up here. Respecting. Oh, we didn't even come down. There's also a bullish FEG here, so by conditions we hit this, come lower, have like a Mech short, or hit this and then have like a continuation higher, or like a Mech higher. Depends on what we see. Okay. Okay, there's 930. Honestly, highs be swept. High swept there. We didn't tap the FEG though. I don't like the look of that. I need that tap really. Unless we can take continuations down. That's also just made equal. Yeah, that's better. Now I want to see an inversion. Wait, hang on. Yeah, just do a 3 minute inversion. Highest time frame. So I think that's the inversion there. Put it there. Target 1R. Break even will be here. We won't target one hour, we've got obvious highs up here. 1.8R. We'll see if what we've got on the 5 min though. No, we'll actually put break even here on this 5 minute. 5 minute break even. That high is our take profit. Not sure if I've actually got on the right bit. No, that ain't, is it? That is. Alright. And we're going to open position there. On the 3 minute. Break even there. And TP there. 1.86 RR. Nice. Yeah, nice little accumulation. Made like equal highs with this FEG. Little accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Little continuation higher. We had the inversion here. It wasn't the cleanest inversion, but I still like the displacement. This is what we got to realise, guys, like even if it's not a V shape, you can still have good displacement. So like, say look, we tapped it twice, it wasn't looking very good, and we have a clean move out of it, like a big move out of it. It wasn't just like, I don't know, the inversion was right here, like tiny inversion. It was like a clean displacement higher. So you've also got to be taking trades of displacement, not just like an IFVG. If you trade like Mech model, continuation models, look for displacement as well. Because if you just trade an IFVG that is really shit, most probable thing that's going to happen is that you're going to get stopped out. So make sure the displacement's good. But yeah, I'll journal this last trade. Okay. Oh wait, no, I've got to save the photo again because I didn't name this. Oh yeah, oh mate, I've got caps locks on. FG, there we go. What was this? 10 AM. I like that. 10 AM. Open low, high close. Yeah, you get it. On the right side of the manipulation leg. So download the image there. What date was that? 21st. 21st for the 10th. 25. Tick. What was that? R plus 1.83. I think, or 81. Or 86. Oh, I'm wrong. 86 there. Bullish date. 21st. S&P conferences. We had 10 AM reversal. We had manipulation. We also have 9:30 manipulation. We had, what was it? Tapped in an FEG when it was the 1 hour. Tapped into an FEG. We sort of like soup these lows, if you get what I mean. We soup these lows. Yeah, it was good momentum, as in good displacement. It wasn't a V-shaped IFEG, but it was definitely an IFEG. Yeah, looks about it. Oh, and AMD. Liquidity target, we had break even at a 5 minute unfilled. So where's that? There. We had our TP on swing high, I believe, wasn't it? Oh, there's like equal highs here. There's equal highs here, so equal highs. Time frame 3 minute. Rating A. Stop loss was on. Where was it? It was on the candle thing, wasn't it? Again. Yeah. No, wait, hang on. Oh no, it was on the body low, I guess. I mean, I've sort of fucked that. It should be like that, really. But hey, on previous, just below previous body low. Okay. image there. Okay, nice. This week we done. What try did we get? Just look on the calendar, innit? No. Okay, what did we have? When was this? October 14th. That's when we started, innit? I'm pretty sure. No, I think it's 15th. No, 14th. Okay, we got 1, 2, 3.05, 4.05, 5.91. 5.91 RR in 5 days, so not bad. Almost 6R. We'll just round it to 6R. 100% win rate. Alright, that's gonna wrap it up. Alright, I'll do another video when I do the next week. I've already done a bit today already. As you can see here, I've done October. I've almost done it. I'm just gonna finish October off. Just didn't want the video to be that long. And yeah, hope you guys liked it. That's my first video I've done. But hopefully more to come. Cheers.